We now know what caused the deadly Air India plane crash in Gujarat. Preliminary investigation has found that fuel was directly cut off to both engines on the flight just seconds after takeoff, and nobody knows why and how, and what will be its impact on the aviation industry worldwide. Investigators found that both the fuel switches went from run to cut off just 1 second apart. The timing is important to note over here. Cockpit chatter caught one pilot asking, "Why did you cut off the fuel?" The other replied, "I did not." So was it pilot error? There's no answer yet. The report simply lays out the sequence of the events, and the pilot were clearly shocked. But here's an important detail. Boeing 787 fuel cutoff switches are spring-loaded and gated, so they can't be flipped accidentally, and certainly not so for both the engines in just 1 second. This image shows the fuel control switch. In 2018, an advisory by the United States warned that some Boeing airplanes may have their fuel switch lock disengaged on delivery, meaning they could have moved too easily. That advisory wasn't mandatory, and Air India never checked. What is still a mystery is how those switches even moved in the first place. Was the lock system disengaged like the US advisory warned? Was the disengagement the reason why the switches were moved accidentally or deliberately? Or was it something else completely different? Some new software fault? We don't know. In Air India's case, by the time the switches were returned to run by the pilots, the plane was too low to recover. Why this matters globally? Around half of all airlines are Boeings in the world, including 1,100 Dreamliners. If a design or software flaw is confirmed, airlines could ground or inspect 787s worldwide, just like the 737 MAX in 2019. The final report is yet to be released. Until then, no assumptions can be made.